What's going on, everybody? It's Josh again from JR's Diecast Customs, and in today's video, we're going to be looking at a different brand than we usually look at. Today, we're looking at Majorette. I saw these Porsches featured by a few different people on YouTube, Champion DJK, Langley Group, bunch of other people, and I fell in love with them. And my girlfriend and I were up a few towns away, and we came across the Hobby Lobby, and I went inside and I found this gem right here. This is the I don't know, what year is this? Does it tell me? Nope, just says Porsche 911 Carrera S. But the details in this thing are awesome. You got the lens. Oh, got a hair there. Got the lens headlights on the front, the lens detailed headlights, and very nicely detailed painted rears on there as well. It's just nice. It just looks good. The hood opens. The frunk, I should say. And then we have opening doors. So yeah, the frunk, the doors, and then this, I almost said snowboard, surfboard pops off the top, which makes for some seriously cool pictures. You know, you lean them up, and stuff like that. It's pretty neat. You're probably wondering why I'm holding this knife. It's because I'm opening this guy next. But I absolutely fell in love with these. And I was like, dude, I'm going to try to snag some more. And then I ran into a fellow collector at Walmart one day, and really cool dude. He told me it was his first time he found Zamax, and it was right when I found the Toyota AE86 Zamax. Had a couple of them in my hand, so I tossed him one, and we got to talking. And he's got an Instagram, I got an Instagram, so we linked up, and I was checking out his page, and I freaking saw this, and I'm like, dude, that thing is badass. So I clicked on it. So I'm going through his, I'm reading the description, the caption for it. He said he bought it at Target online and got it delivered to the store, shipped to his house, or one of the two. And I'm like, man, well, let me check that out. So I immediately went on there and I found this for $12.99 to get delivered to the store. So I got it delivered to the store. It showed up today. I went and picked it up on my lunch break at work. And dude, I am excited to open this thing up. So I'm going to do this right now. I'm going to crack it open. These things are neat. They have rubber tires. They got suspension too. I didn't know that till I had it for a few days and I was messing around with it. And I'm like, dude, that's pretty cool. So they've been doing a few of these Porsches lately. I mean, quite a few, a lot. They've been doing a lot of Porsches lately. Majorette has an absolute boatload of Porsches. A lot of them are really, really cool too. Langley Group did a huge video about these things, and some of the ones that he's got, you can actually order a lot of these from Target direct and get them shipped right to the store, which is freaking sick. I didn't even know you could do that, like I said, but I was super pumped when I found out that you could. And dude, these cost $12. This is $12.99, came like $14.03 after tax. And the details on these are pretty nice, man. I dig them. How do they come out? Oh, they're all rubber banded. All right, that'll be easy. Blip. Blip. All right. Is that cutting through? I don't know. There we go. We're just going to go one by one here. We're going to start off with this. This is the Porsche Panamera Turbo. Oh, God. Oh, man, they really got these bad boys wound in there. Am I even doing it the right way? I don't know. I'll do that later. Unless I can just yoink them out of there. Oh, man, they really got them... They really got them wrapped in there. My God. There it is. Oh, these got suspension too. All right, these got some pretty sweet wheels on that. I kind of dig that. That's sharp. That's a sharp casting. That's going to be, excuse me. That is, like I said, the Porsche Panamera Turbo. Wheels on this are pretty sharp, man. Man, those things are friggin' in there. Oh, God, I got one stuck. I just yoinked it out and I got it stuck. Should just unwound it. You live and you learn. But dude, that's pretty sharp. I can get down with that. Got the trailer hitch on the back too. Nice detailing on the rear as well. Lens details up front again. And the door's open. Cool beans. Nice interiors too. I mean, they're not detailed, but they're, there's a lot of details in there. Those wheels are pretty sick. I like them. I like them wheels. Now I'm going to be real careful with these ones because I really like this one. The Panamera I really didn't care too much about. I guess you could say it's probably my least favorite one from the set. Just because I'm a big 911 guy. I don't really care too much about the Panameras. The newer ones, granted, are pretty good looking though. I mean, you know, much better than they used to be. They were really, really fugly back in the day. Oh God, that one get wound up in there too. Let's see what we can do with it. Oh, that one. See, okay, now that one came right out. That's nice. That one too, yay. Look at that though. All right, I'm not going to waste your time with this. You guys are probably getting bored watching me do that. That's a really nice yellow version of the GT3 RS right here. You know, you got the, obviously, you know, the usual, the detailing and all that stuff. That spoiler comes out. All right, that's kind of cool. I mean, it's got a removable spoiler, so that's kind of neat. It'd be cool for pictures. I kind of like that. I definitely like that. Sorry, guys, I'm going to adjust this camera a little bit. But yeah, it's neat. Let me pop the spoiler back in there. It looks a lot better with it in my opinion. This way. There we are. Oh, no, I lied. There we go. That's neat, though. I like this. This is definitely worth it, in my opinion, guys. 12 bucks. 12 bucks for this set. I mean, damn. And it's got these plastics. Oh, these are plastic wheels. Y'all got me fooled. You had me fooled. These rubbers? Oh, these are plastic too. Okay. That one has rubber. These ones all have plastic. Interesting. That sounds like a candidate for a wheel swap to me. Really good looking models, though. I will say that. Huh. I thought these were going to be rubber tires. I'm actually surprised that they're not. I think it actually advertised it as being rubber tires. On the website it did, at least. It doesn't say it on the box, but it definitely says it on the website when I ordered it. So be wary of that, because it's obviously not the case. This is going to be the Porsche 718 Boxster. I know Porsches a little bit, but this may be one of the last models of the Boxster that they made. I really like that and this blue, man, a lot. Those wheels actually look good on there too. These are good. This is a good set of wheels to put on here. They are plastic, like I said, but they do look good. That paint is nice. That's very smooth paint. And this one, I believe the hood comes off. Yeah, it does. The hood pops out. The roof, excuse me. I don't want to do it, though, because this feels like it's going to break. Not going to do it at this moment, but it does pop off. So you can actually get it to be a convertible, which is pretty cool. Nice details on the rear again. Lenses up front like they've been having so far, which is cool. That's an underdog. It's an underdog of the set for me. I like that one a lot. Now this one, oh, it does have a chip in it. It's got a chip in it. Why? Why have I been getting unlucky lately, guys? Have I done something? Who have I upset? The Diecast gods. That's sick, though. They're not rubber. I don't know why I'm even going to bother checking, but they look good. Those wheels look good for the plastics. We'll say that. I don't like these rubber bands. Peeving me off. But that 934 looks good, though. Nope, I missed one. Thought I had them all. I lied to myself. There we go. But that does look all right. And for 12 bucks, dude, I like it. I'm a big Porsche guy, so like, you know, these are neat. These are definitely cool. All the doors open. These are all going to photograph so well. They're a little bit bigger than Hot Wheels cars are. I don't have a Hot Wheels Porsche here handy, but like, you know, I'll grab this 300Z, you know, for comparison. I mean, they're a little bit bigger, you know what I mean, than like a Hot Wheels Porsche would be. But I mean, they're cool, man. And they're going to, like I said, they're going to photograph super well. I took some photos of this one, and dude, I was all about it. Absolutely all about it. They turned out very well. I took some in the snow and stuff, and it was cool. They were fun to take. I almost want to say, like, I don't want to say I don't care about these as much, but like I was putting this in the snow and stuff, and it was cool. Like I was like a lot of my Hot Wheels and stuff I won't put in the snow to take pictures of, but this I was like, you know, putting it kind of not deep in the snow, but you know, getting it wet and stuff. It's cool. I want to get the one, they have a yellow one of these, so it keeps blowing open on me. They have a yellow one of these that has skis on the top, and I think looks a lot better than this one in my opinion. Actually, I don't want to say a lot better. I wish this one had the skis instead of the surfboard. I love this blue. Love the blue with the red interior, and these wheels are freaking banging. They are rubber. They are rubber on this one, and I wish they were rubber on these ones. But that's a good looking plastic, like I said. That's a really nice looking plastic wheel. And then for the final one is another GT3 RS. The yellow one is a 5-pack exclusive, and the yellow GT3 RS, I should say. And then the blue Boxster, 718 Boxster, is the other 5-pack exclusive. This one looks like it's got the same 5 or 6 spoke looking like, I can't think of the name of the wheel. It's escaping me. But it looks like a very famous wheel. A lot of people put them on Miatas and stuff. Goodness, can't even think of what the new wheel is called. But yeah, but that's a really good looking version of the purple Porsche. Hot Wheels did a Super Treasure Hunt version of this a few years ago, and it's one of my top favorites in my collection, hands down. Absolutely love the Spectra Flame Purple on that Super Treasure Hunt. But this, like, you know, nice gloss looks really good. Man, they did a killer job with these. They should have put, man, the black wheels would have looked better on the yellow one. I don't know why they put gold on there. Top or bottom? Which one did you pick? Purple or yellow? I think I'd go with the yellow, but with the black wheels. Because I didn't make any rules for that, so I'm making up my own rules. So I'm going yellow car, black wheels. But yeah, man, I'm happy about them. Which one is your favorite, guys? I want you to comment down below and tell me which one's your favorite. I think a lot of people are probably going to go for, I'm thinking the yellow GT3 RS, maybe the purple one, possibly even the 934. That's a, you know, that one's got a chip in it. That's a bummer. That's a decent chunk too. I saw that in the box when I got the box. I looked at it at Target and I was like, I waited like 6 days for it to get here though, so I wasn't going to be like, take it back. I'm not like that. Should have done that with the damn RLC car though. I was pretty peeved about that BMW, man. That thing sucks. That thing sucks. I'm going to be honest, it's really making me second guess even joining the RLC next year. We got screwed out of so many good models this year, and, you know, I don't know. I don't think all the ones that they advertised coming for 2020 are going to be coming out for the 2020 RLC year. I think we missed out on a few of them. I know like the off-road Jeep and stuff like that, I'm pretty sure bumped up to 2021 and stuff, which sucks because I paid money to get the opportunity to buy that, and now I'm going to have to pay more money to get another opportunity to buy it, and I might not even fucking get it. So, Hot Wheels RLC. Yeah, dude. Killing it. You guys are killing it. But like I said, thanks again for tuning in, guys. Glad you stopped by. If you're new to the channel, I'd love for you guys to subscribe. Like the video if you guys like what you're watching. Comment, let me know which one is your favorite model. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Peace.